We should be live. What's going on? I eat chicken. High low. Pete, what's going on? Guys, we have an amazing pre-market on AMC. I'm telling you, it's when we least expect it, when it's less hyped, that AMC is actually gonna do something. It's like when nobody expects it. I mean, I've never seen, well, I have, but this is just such a bullish 4 hour chart. Like this has to break out, man. It has to hit a new high. There's no way it's gonna just not use this bullish chart it has, man. If this cracks under 50, I'm gonna be so disappointed. I'm gonna be sad. But this is looking super bullish for today. We're at what pre-market? 60, $62. At 62 on the 4, we're so close to retesting 65. I want to see it. Bitcoin is getting wrecked. Let's pull that up really quick. Hey Ralph, if AMC gets to 70 today, will you go to Arby's? Man, I'm trying to eat clean, man. I don't think Arby's is the way. Look at this. So I was kind of wrong on Bitcoin because when we were right around here, like late May at 35, I kind of thought this was gonna go like really, really aggressively back to like 45 or crash under 30. It did come down to 30, 30.9, and then it rebounded immediately to 41. So it did still trade sideways. We're still in that sideways range, but this might be it. Like this is either gonna crack aggressively under 30 or it's gonna fly up to 40. What do you guys think? I think just based off the technicals, I know I've seen this a lot out there. Even Michael Burry pointed this out. Head and shoulders. Look at this head and shoulders pattern. So that's the case. This cracks under, man, and we see like 20, 25K. That can be it. I am only down 83% from all-time high in my crypto. Are you still holding Shiba, Cardano? Guys, yesterday I was trying to get this coin called Diamond Balls and I couldn't buy it because it just didn't let me. And one of my boys tripled his money on that. So it was just immediate pump and dump. It got listed, it went up, and then it just flopped back down. I think I told you guys I'm gonna hop in it on Sunday. I'm just gonna buy, I'm gonna sell, and I couldn't. It didn't let me. Today is Amazon Prime Day. Is anybody buying anything? $100 AirPods, $279 Apple Watch Series, $80 Fire HD tablet. Never heard of a Fire tablet. $30 Roku 4K. How about Roku? Let's take a look at the stock. It's still up here. What are we at? 364. We got 8 seconds, guys, before the market opens. Look at Roku stock, man. Roku's a beast. Reminds me of Nvidia. Go back to AMC. Let's see. AMC always has this morning dip, by the way. Always happens, and then it just shoots back up. There it is, shooting up. Look at that. That's beautiful. 61.10 on that candle to 62.10. $1 move on that candle. Alrighty. You'll probably see a drop, honestly. Swing traders who bought on Friday might sell here at market open. Let's wait and see. That'd be interesting to see. It's still shooting up. There's a 50K wall at AMC at 62. I would not doubt it. Fire the cable company felt good. Let's take a look at Amazon stock. Uh-oh, their workers are going on strike today. All right, there it's pulling back. This makes sense a little bit. The pullback might make sense. There it comes. Kind of want to catch the dip. Pre-market lows, we're looking at 60.48. We're not that far away. Let's see how fast this dip gets ate up. The higher the stock goes, as for AMC, the easier it's going to get to reach those new highs. I mean, look at that bounce, man. 60.75 all the way to 61. Tesla can't even do that. Speaking of Tesla, guys, for some reason, Thinkorswim on the app, it doesn't show the futures. It's like, look, oh my gosh, it's tanking. So futures weren't working on my phone yesterday. I was kind of confused. Japan was getting beat yesterday too. Look at futures. What is going on? Tesla's gonna be selling off hard. Apple's gonna be selling off hard. Apple just about to hit a new low. Microsoft just came off a new low. Netflix is under 5 again. AMC is kind of is it gonna affect AMC? But usually SPY's pulling back. Usually Nasdaq does this. It'll dip just like it did on Thursday and Friday, and it'll just rebound. So I wouldn't be too shocked, too surprised. But man, we've been like speculating a pullback, a crash. How many of you guys think in the next coming maybe 6 months, by the end of the year or next year, there's gonna be an aggressive correction? 215 GameStop. Look at Nasdaq. It's about to crack under 14 again. Oh, it just cracked 14. Stop losses. Let's go to NDX. That was futures, by the way. I love going to futures. You also have futures on the S&P 500/ES. But you gotta love Nasdaq. Tesla, is it bouncing now? 621. AMC, what are you doing? There's still some selling pressure here on AMC. 1 month? What's going on? William got a new name. Willie. Wait, Willie Will 57. I wonder what the 57 means. Is that like your average price on Dogecoin? 57? I'm just messing with you. Yeah, the Doge guys is looking. Somebody was talking about it on Twitter this morning that the Doge is really tanking. Dogecoin's at 22 cents, guys. It's looking kind of juicy for a buy. Because there's gonna be a time where Dogecoin is back on the trending on Twitter, and the hype is back on Dogecoin. I just don't know when. There's the AMC rebound. Let's see. Let's see what's trending on Twitter. MicroStrategy, no way. What did Michael Saylor do now? Uh-oh, MicroStrategy has purchased an additional. Michael Saylor just bought 13,000 more Bitcoins. 13,005 Bitcoins for 489 million in cash at an average price of 37,000 per Bitcoin. As of June 21st, as of today, we hodl 105,085 Bitcoins acquired for 2.7 billion, and AMC is pushing again. So this I try to say dip and drop at the same time. This dip didn't make sense. Probably a lot of profit takers. Let's see. Nasdaq continues to bleed. These SQs, somebody bought calls on SQs or power printing. Yep. There was a big whale on Friday buying calls on SQs. Nasdaq just hit a new low. Are we in for a bloody week? $63 AMC. Let's go, baby. ORPH. Oh yeah, what happened with that one? That one got wrecked on Friday. Look at that. Man. There was something else trending on Reddit, on Wall Street Bets this morning. Can't quite recall. Oh, William, you're trending on Twitter. Prince William. Oh, it's their 39th birthday? Prince William. American Airlines is trending again. American Airlines was forced to cancel hundreds of flights this weekend due to significant staff shortages and maintenance issues. Again? Or is that Southwest? No, that was Southwest last week, right? This is American. Let's see. Let's take a look at their stonk. Oops. 2246 is on the low 22s. The airline says it will continue to cancel 50 to 80 flights a day well into July. Michael Saylor is trending on Twitter after he bought again another 13,000 Bitcoin. Apple Daily is trending. Dave Chappelle. GameStop appoints Matt Furlong to board of directors. Go back to AMC really quick. Coming up the highs of 63. We're at 62. I think this happened last week, right? We had hit a high at market open, and then we kind of just like try to consolidate throughout midday. Is that gonna happen again? Trying to look for like patterns here. So this happened on Friday too. We hit 60, almost 65, and then kind of what happened midday or towards the end of the close, we just tanked. So I'm trying to look to see if we have another consistency in the patterns. Because I remember like with GameStop back in February and March, it did the same thing every single time. It would go up midday at the same time we ended the live streams, which was very interesting. It did that like three or 4 days out of the week. Is there talks of another stimmy check again? How are they going to complain of people not wanting to go to work when you're literally making more money with the stimulus checks or the unemployment than actually at a job? Does it make sense? Isn't there like 25 states still doing that with the unemployments? I think there was some coming to an end. I think Texas was one of them. I don't quite remember. Clover, let's go take a look at Clover. Back down to 11. Hmm. These are the unfortunate ones that don't really come out like GameStop and AMC did. They tried, but then it just didn't work out. And it might be too early to call its death, but it's not looking too juicy. LA had another crazy busy weekend. Best economy I've seen maybe in my life. Money being spent, dollars, high wages for all. Some inflation is a good part of growing economy. Big earning season ahead. It's just super busy here and summer is just starting. Yeah, everyone's out and about now. And they opened up everything and it's like life is back. I have my thanks for reminding me this tweet. I have my second vaccine tomorrow. Hmm. I also start summer classes next tomorrow. My macroeconomics class. So, we're gonna talk about Powell hopefully. Probably not, but little Jerome Powell. Good morning, John. All right, AMC. It's pulling back. Texas was definitely one that said no thanks. Was it? There was a couple. There was like 20 something states. Let's go to Amazon. Amazon Prime Day. Let's see what's good on special. Let's buy things we don't need. Coffee, cherry. Oh no, that's not it. An iRobot vacuum. Morning, Aziz. Nice to see you here. If you look up textbook Pamunda, that's exactly what it is. You'll see Clover's pattern on there. Come on, GameStop. I haven't heard of this talk in a while. Tootsie Roll. Oh, Nasdaq is still getting beat, guys. Nasdaq is taking a big beating today. I wonder if that's affecting AMC by any chance. Which I don't think so. But the patterns on AMC and GameStop are looking darn the same. Oh man. What's going on, Rich? Oh yeah, Ride. What happened with Ride? It's still coming down. Their CEO, CFO just dipped. They said goodbye. What's going on, Matthew? It's been a minute. Yeah. Hope you're doing well. All the signs of a pump and dump. Guys, I'm reading like this good book by it's on Charlie Munger. It's called Poor Charlie's Almanac. I'll find it for you guys. It's kind of an ex pricier book, but I highly recommend you guys read it. It's probably one of the best books I've ever read. Well, I'm reading it, so I haven't finished it, but it's amazing. It's kind of weird, just like reading that and comparing to the situations that we're seeing right now. With like the whole, I hate calling them meme stocks, but the meme stocks, Bitcoin, Charlie needs to be in a home. No. Why do you guys hate Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett? All right, I'm gonna buy AMC. This stock is looking too crazily oversold. And I'm gonna sell by the end of the day, guys. I don't think I'm gonna swing this unless it starts to rebound to 63. Maybe if it goes above 62 before like midday or something, I'll probably swing it. Now, I'll probably add to my position as well. So I'm only trying to go for like a day trade. You guys need to get that book ASAP. Poor Charlie's. The Wits and Wisdom. Where's it at? There's the little rebound. The first thing is, why is Poor Charlie's Almanac so expensive? It's a very thick book too. It's this one. Guys, you can get it for free online too. You probably just could put PDF and you could probably find it for free too. Tesla cult. Tesla's a cult, man. I agree with you. Tesla is a cult. I'm not gonna lie. Let's go to Twitter. Don't pull back on me like this AMC. What are we looking at? The five. Oh, the five's at 61.55. This is screaming oversold. We need a bounce. Come on. Someone tweeted crypto's looking good this morning. What are they looking at? Maybe for a dip buy. Is anybody buying the dip on Bitcoin today? I need to know. Give me some hope, man. 32.6. Oh man, this is so close to the lows too, guys. Look at this. Now look at Bitcoin. If Bitcoin retests the 30 again, do you guys think it'll crack? I think so. Look at AMC go. Let's go, baby. It was looking stupidly oversold. All right, there's a little bounce, but where are we gonna finish that bounce at? We still got some way to go. Let's go. Let's see 61.30 on this bounce. Is that too much to ask for? You bought the dip, of course, on Doge. Not buying Bitcoin till 2024. Continue, continue, continue. Tesla's out of below 613. That's an old alert. 613. We're literally. Oh, is it old or is it? No, this is recent. Damn, Tesla's really dumping, guys. Tesla's selling off. Is Nasdaq still dropping? No, Nasdaq's bouncing. How's Apple? Apple's bouncing too. Man, I was shorting Apple on, was it Friday or Thursday? I was shorting Apple, I think, on Thursday at the high here. Yeah, it was Thursday because it was a day where Nasdaq was just ripping with no stop. I was shorting here. And I think I covered literally like 30 cents under the high. And look at it now. Easy in hindsight, right? Don't pull back. I don't like seeing the retests of the lows. In this case, it would be like 60 bucks. Because then it could flush under easily with a lot of stop losses going off. That's the last thing I want to see. See, that's what I'm talking about. Don't test the lows. Because then these stupid candles just trigger a bunch of stop losses and you see new lows. Look at GameStop. No. Bounce. Now what are we on the 5? 61.35. So now we wait for another bounce. If this goes under like 58, I'll add more. GameStop 212, back to test this 210. 210 has been the support. I don't like seeing these stocks test the lows. There's that. Oh, there we go. GameStop needs to just curl up to like 630 again and just rip up to like 280s, 300. This cup and handle formation is possible. I just don't know what the catalyst can be. Maybe they haven't even sold their 5 million. We were speculating that to be the case like 2 weeks ago and still nothing. All right, there you go, AMC. There you go. We need to see 61.40 up to here. That's our little price target here. Come on. We're still seeing rejection at EMA. SPY at 420. No, it's at 416. Nasdaq finding support. How's the Dow? Finally, the Dow starts to bounce. The Dow has been getting wrecked too. Look at that drop from 34.8 to 33.2. AMC. No, there's still resistance at EMA. I can't believe it. They don't want us above 60 or what? All right, now we've closed the pre-market gap. I don't know what's going on. We've closed the gap at 60. Yeah, GameStop new low to 11.57. AMC again trying to recover. Look at this. Every time AMC cracks under the support like at 60, it starts to shoot up. So there's people buying down here. Pretty interesting. Don't drop, don't drop, don't drop. I worry about ongoing inflation. Fed may need to act. Is this the real Gordon Johnson or is it a fake one? The Fed will never, ever, ever, ever cut rates or taper until the market blows up and it's focused and it's forced to. Same thing happened in the 1940s. Come on, AMC. I'm not convinced, man. I'm not convinced. It needs to shoot up back to like 61. Come on, there you go. There you go. Tesla's still looking weak. Come on, AMC. There's a 61. Come on. We're still seeing resistance at EMA, guys. Amazon Prime Day. There's a lot of like glitches on the prices too for Prime Day. I think like last year, one of my boys had taken advantage of the mismatching on the prices. There was like this expensive camera going for like 2K, and it was like priced at like 300 bucks. And he bought like two of them, I believe, and he got it fulfilled at that price. They honored that price because it was an error on their part. Damn it! Oh, AMC. We're looking at nothing but red candles after this first initial green 5-minute candle. Our market open. When is the rebound going to come? Come on. 210 again. Support for GameStop. Every time we see a new low on AMC, this is very strong right here. It's immediately followed by a rebound. I like that. Kaplan. Here we go. Again, testing 60. Looks like NASDAQ stopped bleeding for a bit. We'll set an alert just in case it starts to bleed again, just to get an overall idea and feeling of where the market is headed. SPY. Set one on SPY too. Set one on Tesla. Come on, AMC. This is the chance. We're testing EMA again on the 5. We got some room to push, man. We gotta go to 61. Look at it. It's kind of shying away. Try to read the candle. I'll pull up a TNS so you could get a feel for the order flow. We got people dumping again. Oh no. Come on. There we go. We got a rip, man. We got a rip above this blue line, guys. This is the goal right here. There's resistance on the blue line, which is the 13 EMA. Go. GameStop has the same problem here. So did Tesla this morning. Take a look. It still has resistance there. Ever since market open, we've sold off at 624 and hasn't seen a rebound. On the 5, this is screaming a bounce. Come on, AMC. Tesla's doing it. 614, 23. There we go. There we go. Above 60 again. We're looking for 61. 60, 23, 30. There we go. There goes GameStop as well. 212.87. 60, 33, 35, 39. 60, 40. Come on, baby. 60, 41. Oh. Ride is still dumping. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, the ride has been dumping since they resigned, the CEO and the CFO. The first initial red flag was here when they said they needed more capital, right around 15, and then it dumped. That would have already been a red flag for me. Oh man, AMC on the 4-hour, it's like getting me stressed. Like it's so close to the new high at 65, man. Look at this beautiful chart. 60, 68, huh? We're going for 61, baby. Now we're above the blue line. Now we got to hold there. Yeah, we're waiting for that big rip, Sacks a lot. Even if it does pull back slightly, I mean, we still got higher lows here forming and some pretty decent support at 60, so just patience, just patience. See, is there any basketball games today? Guys, we've been killing it on the sports bets over the weekend. If you guys aren't on our Discord, man, I'll plug in the free Discord link. Bullard says no one really knows how this is going to unfold, but need to be ready for upside risks to inflation. Inflation and interest rates, guys, are like the main things you're going to be hearing in the news for the next 6 months to a year. Inflation, and rates. There's 60, 80. We're so close to 61. There we go, baby. We got to go to 61.20 now. Come on. Bullard also said Fed has to be as nimble exiting crisis as a year ago. Whatever you do, don't look at the reverse repos. U.S. in stronger position on reopening than expected. 60.59. Very nice recovery. Did Tesla do the same thing? Did Tesla rip up above EMA? Yes, it did, baby. 615, 616. Apple did too. Now we just got to rip up to 62 AMC. Come on. Stop playing games. These swing traders already took profit on us. That's why we're dropping. Swing traders took profits. Don't pull back. 213 for GameStop. Still above 60 though for AMC. Very interesting market open, right? Don't worry about Tesla. It will come back down. Possibly. Told you guys. This happens every single time too for Nasdaq. This happened Thursday or Friday. Thursday or no, Wednesday probably when we dipped and then we just immediately V'd back up. Let's take a look at TQs. Yeah, SQ's probably got wrecked back down. So now we just watch AMC consolidate at 60. Coin has collapsed to 23. Or Dogecoin. Yeah, it's at 22. 23-ish. Slightly bouncing on here. Bitcoin bouncing above 33. That's good news. Oh, we also have Powell tomorrow, guys. I forgot. We have Jerome Powell tomorrow again. So get ready. American Airlines is still trending. TRCH. TRCH. Holy moly. Shares trading higher after the company provided a business update on its proposed business combination, timing, and payment date for its preferred stock dividend. Imagine the people who bought on Friday at 6:51 and sold at 10 at close to 11. Damn. Torchlight, baby. Well, it's dipping now. It's pulling back. Man, I'm tempted to buy. You guys don't have any idea how tempted I'm to buy this stock. I'm like thinking, should I buy the dip or no? I'm not trying to hold this. I'm just trying to play momentum because look at that 4 hour. Damn. 25 cents? Just in case. There's AMC with the rip up to 61. We got our 61 again. Beautiful. AMC rips up every time we're not watching it, so I think we should just watch other stocks. Just needs to hold here, man. It's like every little rip up, we have a pullback. Hmm. Torchlight was 25 cents like in December, I believe. Something like that. It hit 1088 this morning. Once again, AMC wants to test $60. 60.25 still. Is American Airlines still tanking? No, or how about the banks? I think the banks were getting wrecked on Friday. Yeah. Guys, the 10-year yield dropped so aggressively. We were at 1.5. Let's take a look. 10-year Treasury. 10-year. On Friday, we were like at 1.53. And this morning, we are at 1.48. Take a look. 1.57 and we just tanked. So we're pushing up here. We were at 1.44. We're at 1.48. AMC needs to push above 62. I agree. I agree. It's still kind of dangling here at $60, so we're trying to find some support there. Every single spike we see to like 61, above 61, it immediately pulls on back. It's pretty interesting. I mean, pre-market we were looking very juicy too. We closed the gap already here, so that's not an excuse as to why we're dropping. We already closed the gap there, so we need to push up above. I would say this on the 5 minute we got rejected at EMA. I wouldn't say this is the worst market open. It can hold 60 and just continue to slowly find higher support levels and then just rip up. Worst case scenario, this flushes under 60, hits a new low, and then it just takes it extends the time. It takes longer for us to just climb back above 60. Maybe by midday, maybe by the end of the day, I don't know. That's why I don't like seeing the retest of the lows because then you get a lot of stop losses going off and then just creates panic and oh AMC's this and this. It's just like so let's see what it does at 60. GameStop's doing the same thing by the way too. Jerome Powell. Again, we're at 60. Oh, shucks. Morgan Stanley says 2021 is beginning to resemble 2004, a year that may offer clues for investors as to what will happen in the months ahead. Investors, do you agree? Is Torchlight pushing back up? No, we're still at 930s. Look at that daily. 4 hours still looking a little on the high side too. CLF. Oh, it's another Wall Street bet stock. Unusual options activity, and then on the second headline, this was on Friday by the way. Top 20 trending stocks on Wall Street bets is a Friday. Yeah, they're pumping a lot of things. AMC back down under 60. GameStop just pretty ugly, aggressive candle. Oh boy, oh boy. $59.50s. I don't want to see 50. Come on. Don't trigger those stop losses. 59.52. There's 50. Oh, there you go. Those are the stop losses. 59.33. Man. We're seeing again some selling pressure, man. Shoot. It's gonna make me buy more. Kaplan says wage issues could be more persistent. What a recovery by NASDAQ. Shopify literally hit 1,500 all-time high. See, this is the winner. Damn. Shopify. Holy moly. Guys, are you guys watching oil? Oil futures are rallying. Oil prices. These are oil futures. Take a look at Bitcoin futures. Bank of America says the oil prices could hit $100 in 2022. 59.25. Come on, AMC. Unusual activity on AMC. September 17 puts, $35 puts. Via Unusual Whales on Twitter. September 17, 35 puts. Morgan Stanley says turns bearish on emerging markets, foreign exchange, and downgrades the local rates to neutral, aligning to its broader bullish US dollar view. Uh, 1080 or 144p for this video. You should be able to do at least 1080p, right? Just go on the top right and just click like the little gear setting and then just fix it there. That should fix it. At this point, AMC should just have like a rip in the next coming minutes. Come on. Man, that daily. If we can close above 60 today, tomorrow and Wednesday are going to be insane. It's just so close to breaking past that high, man. Yeah, at 144, it's like you're streaming off the Arby's Wi-Fi or something. Or off a potato. 59 still. Patience game, patience game. It's just such a patience game, man. It's like we'll just let this unfold. Let's take a look at Tesla. Other stonks. 615 Twitter, 6126. This stock has been doing nothing since we sold it. Just been kind of sideways. It's been going up. What did we sell this at? Do you guys remember? I think we bought on the dip. It would have been a nice hold, but I just got bored. I think we sold at 60. Oh, stop dropping this. Stupid hedge funds or whoever selling. This can't be swing traders still taking profits, can it? ATHA was at $18 on Thursday and now 11 an overreaction. Biotech conference at 30. Oh, biotech stocks. I look better on 144p. Oh, our beloved torchlight is falling. 907, so close to 9 again. Would suck to see some stop losses go off at 9 and it comes down to like 880. Is that gonna happen? Let's move this up to 9. Let's see. Well, it just hit 9. 895. Yeah, did Viacom never, it never moved, right? It's just kind of like, take a look at the 4 hour on this. Just kind of traded sideways. I have my alerts on the upside and downside. It just never did anything, man. I love this stock when it fell to like 44. I'm like, you know what? Let's just be patient. And then it came lower, 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 lower. And then earnings, and then just, it did nothing. But it's kind of holding support at 40, man. If they can trade sideways for, I don't know, like a month, like headed into like, what, August, late July, I might buy. I don't know. This is a hard one. Because it's bound to rip up, man. This is going to rip up. I just don't know when. Discovery was the next one that was tied with this one, but Viacom has a stronger pattern than Discovery. Look at Discovery. Discovery just looks more like a pump and dump. From 19 to 70 all the way back down. Tesla is below. Oh, did Nasdaq just dip? Yeah, Nasdaq had a pretty ugly candle there. Yeah, Tesla's still dipping. Yeah, but Viacom's a slow one. It's been trading sideways for a month. Yeah, it hasn't done anything. But the longer it trades sideways, I think the harder the rip is gonna be. Uh, hmm. Discovery is the one that kind of has me worried. I was gonna buy both Discovery and Viacom. We were waiting here, look, at 35 and then 33, and now it's up 30. $32.50 calls on Discovery. People are buying calls. Shout out to Archegos, Mr. Wang. Oh man. $59 again for AMC. Arrow Garden Harvest. What is this little machine? Amazon Prime has some weird things on here. Gaming mouse, Tile Pro, dock camera, Apple AirPods. Come on, AMC. Don't crack under 59. You're close. There we go, man. We're waiting for a strong rebound. We're waiting for a 60 test again. What's going on, Jan? I don't know. I thought we would expect some swing traders taking profits, but this is pretty steep drop, I guess you can say, from 63 to 59. I mean, it closed the gap here, right here, but other than that, I don't know why we'd be dropping on a day that, I mean, we're literally like bound to break out. We're so close to breaking out. I don't think Nasdaq could be the question. I mean, Nasdaq did have a drop, but then it recovered. Take a look at this. We had some selling pressure overall market, but then it rebounded. So I don't think it's that. I don't even want to pull up a Mortex. AMC's getting close to the trend line. I feel like we'll see. I feel like we'll see a rip if they get it below 58. I mean, on the 4 hour, you're looking at a retest of 65. It's just so close to the highs here. Higher lows, bingo. Volume, bingo. Attention is still here, man. Like, we had a gap up on this. It's battling to stay green on the day. Very close. I mean, it's more clear on the daily. Take a look at this. Well above EMA still. AMC on the daily has not really cracked under the EMA. The last time we were under EMA was like May, early May. Take a look at this. This is nuts. Like the bigger picture. Hmm. Last week AMC even had a good week too. I think it was up like 90%. I never came to get you on Viacom. David, I just don't have a good feeling about AMC. Balancing that and FOMO, the struggle is real. Yeah, wait, what do you mean balancing that and feeling FOMO? Oh, like you don't have a good feeling, but then again you have FOMO, right? I think that's what you're trying to say. Yeah, FOMO's like guys, we're humans, we're not robots, you know? Like we're gonna feel like the FOMO. But over time, you just learn to control that and not feel that as much, especially if you come from taking big L's. Once you start taking like these huge L's in trading, that FOMO, oh man, it starts to like you start to tame it. It's crazy. It is really crazy. That feeling goes away because you just know at the back of your head, tomorrow there's gonna be an opportunity. Next week there'll be an opportunity. The next coming month there's gonna be an opportunity. There's opportunities every single day. So once you start to think like that, the FOMO starts to calm down a bit. But I understand what you're saying. You still feel it, man. Like it's like, damn, you see everybody on Twitter or Discord, Reddit posting their profits, and you're just like, man, like, what am I doing wrong? You know? That's why I don't even have a Reddit anymore. First of all, the trolling I was getting on Reddit was nuts. I was just like, I could take it, but one of you guys brought up a good point. It's like, why are you torturing yourself? You know? And I thought about it. I'm like, that's true. So I just deleted the app. I deleted Reddit. That's why I don't have a stock tweets. I don't have any of that. Like, why surround yourself like that and give yourself that temptation to just try to go for a chase or a FOMO play? You know, it doesn't really make sense. Stock tuition, exactly. Stock market tuition. You gotta pay to learn, huh? 609 new low on Tesla. That's very true. I had FOMO on ORPH. Now I'm back holding. You learn like that. It sucks because like we had the discussion before where what's the best way to learn? It's from other people's mistakes. That's what Warren Buffett says. Why lose the money? Why waste the time? Why waste the energy when you could learn from other people's mistakes? But then again, sometimes even for me, because sometimes I think I'm hard-headed, I'm stubborn. The lessons don't really stick. You know, it's like, oh, this guy lost money because he was chasing. Oh, maybe I won't chase. You know, but then when you chase and you actually lose your money that you worked hard to earn, and you know you're sitting there looking at your phone and you're down like six figures, it's just like it really hits you different, man. That emotion, that feeling, like damn, I just lost like that much, and like it's not the money, but it's like the mental effect, the mental hit you take, and it sucks. Like, man, you never want to feel that again, and you're gonna be so picky with your plays, and you're gonna cut your losses really quick, and you get paranoid in a way. Rob, how did you do during the March 8? I lost 106K, man, in a day. March, I stopped trading in March. I still watch the markets, but I stopped trading in March, and I came back in December, and I had the best like crazy months of December and January. And here we are, June. Time is flying so fast. Like it's already been like we were stuck at home with restrictions for like what 15 months. That's nuts. Time has been it just flown by. These are days you never forget. Like those days you never forget. They're like scars on your back. I didn't buy any lows, man. Nope. After that, I said no more options for me. I'm never trading options again. Even though I bought some calls on the VIX the other week, but very small plays. Supreme Court rules for college athletes and compensation dispute with the NCAA. You came in on March 20? Man, March 15 was. You guys remember March 15, 2020? Who remembers that day, March 15? Not 16, but 15. You came in 5 days after. It came. Oh man, you came at the right time. I thought this was AMC's chart for a second. I'm like, you low on AMC? No way. Oh, nothing different. AMC 58.50. They're gonna make me buy more. We're down 126 bucks. We're gonna buy. This way, is it gonna see another dip on this? Hmm. Kind of want to pull the trigger, but then I feel like we're gonna go to like 56. I mean, not 56, 57. It's bouncing already. Let's just give it some time. What do we average at? $60.14. People who bought on the 20th of March did amazing. Yeah. Oh, the people who sold, they must be mad watching the markets now. 58.44, that's still pulling back. So let's hop in. Damn it. TR. Torch, our beloved Torch is dropping 878. Uh-oh. Mm -mm 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 -mm. 58.72. So we'll see what happens with AMC. We're probably gonna end the live stream here. As of now, we're still waiting for that dip. I mean that rip above 60 on AMC. I don't know how much lower AMC will see today, guys. I don't know. I mean, look what happened on Friday. It's really hard to call it. Um, I would hate to see 56 again, but if it does, I'll probably add more to my position. But with that being said, it looks like we might see a new low here. Let's just add an increment to 25. Screw it. If we see a new low right here. Morning on TV. Oh, yeah, you're kind of late. We might end it, but I'm gonna answer your question. Do you think now's a good time to buy Torchlight? I don't think right now is a good time to buy Torchlight. I mean, we just saw it go from what? We were watching it at like 950s, right? Something like that, and it's pulling on back down under 9. I'd be really worried if it comes to like 850s, because then after that, it's really just a free fall to like wherever it catches itself. Did AMC just fall? Yeah, AMC's pulling back. All right, we just added 25 more shares. We'll see what happens, but if the selling pressure continues, I mean, this stock is going to be bound for a rebound. There's no way other than that. But I just don't know how lower we can go. I mean, the last couple times we've tested under EMA on the 4-hour, it's jumped back up. So this might be another leg down to like 55, maybe. We don't know, but just be patient. Oh, if you guys enjoyed it, I'd appreciate a slap on the like button. Subscribe if you are new. And we'll see what happens later. Just set your alerts, watch support levels, go for a walk, go exercise. Get that blood flowing, baby. Read a book. And hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your morning, night, evening. I will see you guys tomorrow for another live stream. Peace out. Peace out, baby.